every industrial production technology has its own range of, let's call them, special materials. Materials that change the way the game is played. And additive manufacturing is no different and has its own unique materials. And as luck would have it, one of them is available in our store, and we call it the PA11 Onyx. In my opinion, printing with this material is by far the best choice for producing highly durable printouts with robust structures and good, if not excellent, elasticity. The material's printing process, however, requires very specific conditions. First, a relatively high sintering temperature, higher than while printing with PA12. And another thing, an inert shielding gas to avoid unwanted chemical reactions, most notably with oxygen and moisture present in the air. Therefore, not every SLS system will be capable of printing with this material. But if you think Sinterit left you with a powder that you can't print with, then you would be wrong. In fact, with the Sinterit LISA Pro, you achieve those conditions and you can enjoy the possibilities printing with this material will give you. Together with relatively high thermal, ultraviolet and chemical resistances, the PA11 Onyx works perfectly for printing complicated elements dedicated for everyday use, providing the necessary mechanical properties, especially useful for objects exposed to high impacts. And here we have an example. This is a custom-made military glass cover that was printed in one go as a movable assembly. And it's not only sturdy and durable, but also very precise, and thanks to the extended life cycle of this material, you can close it and open thousands upon thousands of times. Unfortunately, we don't have that much time. Another example is this snap buckle. It has a very precise fit, it's very resistant to tensile stress, and can be used over and over again. The PA11 Onyx works perfectly for creating covers and casings like for this drill right here. Compared with the right side, the PA12 Smooth, this side, made from PA11 Onyx, is much rougher, which is excellent because you don't want your tool to slip from your hands, and also is much more darker. Another example is this casing of the blender. Not only is it securing the inner mechanisms, but also gives the user a firm hold of the blender while used. Remember, printing with the PA11 Onyx is possible only with the Sinterit LISA Pro, as only this system reaches high sintering temperatures and has an embedded gas chamber for proper powder sintering. PA11 Onyx. Easy to handle, hard to crack,